The Lano EN-EL15C battery and charger set is expertly designed to be compatible with a wide range of Nikon cameras, making it a versatile choice for photographers with varied equipment. Crafted from premium CNC machined aluminum alloy, the charger showcases impressive durability and efficient heat dissipation, ensuring it remains cool and scratch-free even with extensive use. With its 20-watt power output, this charger system delivers remarkably fast charging speeds, doubling the efficiency of standard chargers and fully charging batteries in under 3 hours. Each of the two included batteries offers a substantial capacity, providing up to 457 shots, or over 3 hours of continuous shooting, catering well to demanding photography sessions. The charger is equipped with a comprehensive 5-layer safety protection system, safeguarding against overcharging, overheating, and short circuits, thus ensuring the longevity and safety of your equipment. Real-time LED indicators for each battery slot provide clear and precise charge tracking, allowing users to confidently know when their batteries are ready for use without any guesswork.